Hamon. Professional Hamon.
Meet
Yeah,
Dr.
just
Allen.
keep talking. Here's a little Panama Shoshone basket.
Oh, yeah.
There's a little cradle board.
That kind of looks like
There's
the one I have.
Uh-huh. And there's a little water bottle.
I like that part of that water jug there repaired with cloth. Did you
Yes.
see that?
Now, around the corner are the best baskets. On base looks like the canyon.
Well, I went to that one.
Yep, yep.
Is that the one I went to?
Yes,
see?
yes. Yep, yepity yep.
And we met at
It
the,
is. And also the bighorn sheep came to mean life and water and rain and power and renewal and revivification. All of that and much more. Remember I talked about the sort of the image of the snake and what that meant to them? So you have to sort of think about this in a much more of a cosmological thinking that these are images that mean something to them in a much broader way. They're good to think as well as good to eat.
Wow.
Hanson. Remember her? Look at that basket. Here's a timbusha. Here's a timbusha. And here's another Isabella Hanson. Look at those. I thought you'd like this. And there's another Panama Shoshone right there. But these two are awesome. And this neck jar is amazing. Of all these energetic and positive and jumping, alive sheep. And I've always argued that it's based on renewal or increased rights or things along those lines. Here's a bow and arrow person, and he's shooting the bighorn, so that's 2,000 years old or less. And then notice the tails on all these animals. They show them. Why would they show the tails? That's the least thing you'd expect to see on the bighorn sheep. Well, what we found was the only time you see a tail on a bighorn sheep is when they're in estrus and they're doing flagging. It's an indication of renewal and open for business and reproductive symbolism, all of that and much more. So it's a positive, sort of energetic communication, a visual prayer.
Wow.
For abundance, for vitality, for longevity, all the above. Bighorn sheep that were life-size. These are 7 feet long, from nose to tail.
Wow.
And this is called the Koso style, flat back, navicular or boat-shaped bodies, full front-facing horns. Yeah. See these, you get this visual little shorthand where you get the horns, looks like little birds, but that's sheep's horns. And here's one of those ancient figures. It's superimposed by the bighorn sheep that came later. And that avian feet, see? So it's an avian animal-human figure that also integrates bird and female and the rattlesnake all in one picture. And that's very similar to Mesoamerica, where you have this 𝐤𝐻𝐿𝐴 statue where it's got birds and snakes and females all interfingered together as one sort of conceptual deity.
Whoa.
And that's in the big book, the 70,000 word book that we're publishing. The Mojave rattlesnake, the Mojave greens. They've got a neurotoxin and another, what is that the other one called? There's 2 different kinds of toxins that they...
I've walked past them hiking at dusk.
They're very intent. They don't back away so easily.
Yeah, they stayed coiled and they were
Yeah.
hissing at me.
Yeah.
And I didn't walk anymore after when it was still dark out.